Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to claim Robux and please donate. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You have to follow these steps. Start by going to the side and selecting the gift box icon, which opens the gifting menu. Then go to the top and click on the letter icon, where you'll see all of your claimable donations. These are donations received through the gifting feature, which is commonly used to donate to people while they're offline or in a different server. However, it's important to know that no donation in Please Donate actually needs to be claimed for the Robux to be added to your balance. The claim feature only applies to the message in the in-game gift itself, not the Robux. All donations you receive will instead show up as pending Robux on your Roblox account, and they won't be added to your balance until the pending process is finished. Each donation processes individually to verify the purchase and make sure no fraudulent activity occurred. Once verified, the pending Robux is released to your account. To check your pending Robux, go to the official Roblox website and sign into your account, making sure you're on the real site before entering your details. Click on the Robux icon at the top and select My Transactions. There you can see your total pending Robux. Expand the type of transaction menu, and here you will see Sales of Goods. Choose Sales of Goods to view each individual donation or sale. Any pending Robux will have a stopwatch icon next to it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can claim Robux and Please Donate. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.